Present tense used to describe actions that are happening now, habitual actions, or general truths. Type simple present. Structure. Subject plus V1, SS, plus object. Example, she writes a letter. Present continuous structure. Subject plus am is a plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example. They are playing cricket. Present perfect structure. Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Example, he has finished his homework. Present perfect continuous tense structure. Subject plus has have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus for since plus time. I have been studying for 2 hours. Used to describe completed or continuing actions in the past. Type simple past. Structure. Subject plus V2 plus object. Example. She watched a movie yesterday. Past continuous structure. Subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example, they were running in the park. Past perfect structure. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Example, she had left before I arrived. Past perfect continuous. Subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus for since plus time. Example. I had been waiting for an hour before the bus came.
Future tense used for actions that will happen later or are expected to happen.
Future tense used for actions that will happen later or are expected to happen. Simple future structure. Subject plus will shall plus V1 plus object. Example. I will call you tomorrow. Future continuous. Structure. Subject plus will shall plus be plus V1 plus ing plus object. Example. She will be reading at 8 p.m. Future perfect structure. Structure. Subject plus will shall plus have plus V3 plus object. Example. They will have finished by noon. Future perfect continuous structure. Subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus V1 plus ing plus object plus for from plus time. Example. By next month, he will have been working here for 5 years. Here are negative and interrogative examples for all 12 tenses in English grammar. Each tense is explained with sample sentences for negative, interrogative, and negative interrogative forms. Simple present negative sentence structure. Subject plus do does plus not plus V1 plus obj. Example. She does not write a letter. Simple present tense interrogative sentence structure. Do does plus subject plus V1 plus obj. Does she write a letter? Simple present negative interrogative sentence structure. Does plus subject plus not plus V1 plus obj. Example, does she not write a letter? Present continuous negative sentence structure. Subject plus am is a plus not plus V1 ing plus obj. Example. She is not writing a letter. Present continuous interrogative sentence structure. Am is a plus subject plus V1 ing plus obj. Example. Is she writing a letter? Present continuous interrogative negative sentences plus subject plus not plus V1 ing plus obj. Structure. Example. Is she not writing a letter? Present perfect negative sentence structure. Subject plus has have plus not plus V3 plus obj. Example. She has not written a letter. Present perfect interrogative sentence structure. Has have plus subject plus V3 plus obj. Example, has she written a letter? Present negative interrogative sentence structure. Has plus subject plus not plus V3 plus obj. Has she not written a letter? Present perfect negative sentence structure. Subject plus has have plus not plus be teen plus obj. Example. She has not written a letter. Present perfect continuous tense. Interrogative sentence structure. Has have plus subject plus been plus be ek ing plus obj. Example. Has she been writing a letter? Present perfect continuous tense negative interrogative sentence structure has plus subject plus not plus been plus be ek ing plus obj. Example. Has she not been writing a letter? Simple past tense. Negative sentence structure subject plus did plus not plus be ek plus obj. Example. She did not write a letter. Simple past tense interrogative sentence structure did plus subject plus be ek plus obj. Example. Did she write a letter? Simple past negative interrogative sentence structure. Did plus subject plus not plus be ek plus obj. Did she not write a letter? Past continuous tense negative sentence structure. Subject plus was verb plus not plus verb, ing, plus object. Example. She was not reading a book. Past continuous tense structure interrogative sentence structure. Interrogative verb plus subject plus verb, ing, plus object. Example. Were you watching TV? Past continuous tense. Negative interrogative structure was verb plus subject plus not plus verb, ing, plus object dot. Example. Were you not going to school? Structure. Negative interrogative. Past perfect tense had plus subject plus not plus past participle plus rest of sentence. Hadn't plus subject plus past participle plus rest of sentence. Examples. Negative interrogative example. Had he not finished his work? Past perfect continuous tense negative structure subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus rest of sentence. Example. She had not been sleeping. Past perfect continuous tense interrogative sentence structure had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus rest of sentence. Example. Had you been studying hard for exams? Structure. Negative interrogative. Past perfect continuous. Had plus subject plus not plus been plus verb ing plus rest of sentence. Hadn't plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus rest of sentence. Example. Had he not been studying for so long? Future indefinite tense negative sentence structure subject plus will shall plus not plus base verb plus rest of sentence. Example. She will not come tomorrow. Future indefinite tense. Interrogative sentence structure. Will shall plus subject plus base verb plus rest of sentence. Example. Will you call me? Future indefinite tense negative interrogative sentence structure. Will shall plus subject plus not plus base verb plus rest of sentence. Won't will not plus subject plus base verb plus rest of sentence. Example. Will you not help me? Future continuous tense. Negative sentence structure and example structure. Subject plus will not, won't, plus be plus verb ing plus object. Examples. I will not be attending the party. Future continuous tense. Interrogative structure. Will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example. Will you be working on the project tomorrow? Future continuous negative interrogative sentence structure. WH word plus will plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object. Example. What will you be doing at 7 p.m. tomorrow? Future perfect tense. Negative structure. Subject plus will not, won't, plus have plus past participle, teen RD form of verb, plus object. Example. I will not have finished the work. Future perfect tense. Interrogative sentence structure. Will plus subject plus have plus past participle plus object. Example. Will you have finished your homework? Future perfect tense structure negative interrogative. Will plus subject plus not, or won't, plus have plus past participle plus object. Examples. Won't she have arrived by noon? Future perfect continuous tense. Negative sentence structure subject plus will shall plus not plus have been plus verb ing plus object time other details. Example. She will not have been working at the company for long by then. Future perfect continuous tense interrogative sentence structure will shall plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus object time. Example. Examples. Will you have been studying for 3 hours by 8 p.m.? Future present continuous tense negative interrogative sentence structure. Will plus subject plus not plus have plus been plus present participle, verb plus ing, plus object plus time reference. Examples. Will you not have been studying for 3 hours by 8 p.m.? Yeah, thank you. Keep practicing daily to master English tenses. Best wishes. Please don't forget Everyday English Magic, like and subscribe.